Today we're going to be having a look at this ceramic nativity set, and we're going to try and smarten it up a bit with some salvage lights. Don't normally like things like this, but I was in a charity shop yesterday and it was £1 because most of the figures were broken. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Just put that to one side. This nativity set doesn't have any names on it. Just says 1 wood stable and 5 pieces on the side. So what's on the bottom? Oh, it's Premier. That's interesting. Okay, so it's a Premier nativity set, but it's got no Premier branding on it, so it looks like it was just imported and a little sticker slapped on the bottom. I put this bubble wrap inside to keep the figures safe because they were just loose in the box. So when I got this, the Virgin Mary was broken all around the base here and split in half. I've glued that back together. There's the crib. Baby Jesus was fine. This lamb was missing its head. There's a little bit of a globule there, but it was a bit of a chore to glue it back together, but that's okay. I think this was the only one that was unbroken, so that one survived. And then this angel was headless. You can see the crack, but all glued back together. And the shed itself didn't come away clean. This entire piece of fascia board was missing. Well, not missing, it was in the box, it had broken off. So there's a little bit of broken ceramic in there. But yeah, very much a mess. They put it out. I mean, I think normally they probably charge about £5 for something like that. But they put it out, £1, broken pieces, but it was complete. And I thought, you know what, that'll make a nice little project. It's a bit dark and dingy in there, you can't really see anything that's going on. And on a previous video, I went through a bag of junk. I had a bag of junk, I think, I'm trying to remember when it was. I think it was about February of 24. There's a link up there, that's potentially the video it was. And we had these inside. These are faux cork stoppers, and you put these copper wire LEDs inside a bottle coiled up to light a bottle up. They had no batteries in. I've got some batteries here. We'll put them in and see if it works. Hopefully it's a warm one. Oh, there we go, it's already starting to work, so I'll just turn that off. There we go, nice warm white colour. Not too dissimilar to the multifunction light we put on that vintage angel I've got. There's a video link to that up there. Well, yeah, we've got these little LEDs. They're just little tiny chips, and they're just encased in little globs. And I think we'll put them on the inside. I'm not sure how we're going to attach them, but we'll do something. There's quite a lot of them. So what have we got in here? I mean, I think a glue gun would probably do it justice, but I don't have one at hand. So bear with me. Got the Jack Daniel tin of plenty, full of pins. I'm going to find some traditional drawing pins for this. Okay, we've got a few to keep us going. Now, what to do first? Actually, I'll feed all of the lights through the back first. And then we'll just locate a little bottle stopper on the bottom. Actually, it'd probably be best going at the side here, where we've got something to push into, because that board at the back is very thin. So put one there. I think I'm going to have to use one of these push pins at the top here. So this is where we are. Ignore the zip ties. The fascia fell off again, so I've just glued it in place and I'm just holding it. What I ended up doing, the drawing pins weren't really working out. So what I've done is, because the cable is so rigid, you can bend it into shape, and I've just made it go in a loop up and down, up and down, up and down, and then just put it into place. And this way it's just more out of view and obscured. And as it stands, when we turn it on now, we get a nice little glow. We just do these lights, get a nice little glow from in there. And the plan now is to get everything set up. So put him there on his pedestal, and we can bend it into place. We've got one of the little lights to act as a little halo. Now, where would everybody go? Angel at the back, Joseph at the back, Mary just there, and a little lamb there. And there we have it, our little cheap modification to our £1 nativity. Nice little upgrade. Hope this video was helpful. If anybody wants to do something similar, if you like this kind of content, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop a like if you liked it. We upload every Saturday at 10 in the morning. Until then, catch you on the next one.